Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Shou.tv recorder screen. The first thing you wanna go to Cydia. You have to just jailbreak your device. Go to Cydia, search Shou, go on it, modify, install. You click install. I have it. I'm gonna reinstall it. Just install it. Go. You will see this icon. This one. Shou TV. Shou recorder screen. You go to App Store. Purchase. Click Shou.tv. Install this app. I have it. When you install, you're gonna go to Shou and start recording videos or something more. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.